Great news! The French alphabet has the same letters as the English one. There are 26 letters in total, 6 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and Y, and 20 consonants. I'll give you pointers as we go along. A, avion. B, bateau. C can have different sounds depending on what letter follows. CH, sh, chien. Sounds more like a sh. C is usually hard, K sound, when it's followed by an A, O, or U. Cœur, caravane, cuisine. C followed by an I or E has a soft S sound. Citron, cerise. There is, of course, an exception to those rules. If there's a cedille, it's pronounced like S, even if it's followed by an A, O, or U. Français, garçon, déçu, D, dauphin, E, éléphant, F, fleur. G is hard in front of an A, O, U, and other consonants. Garçon, gorille, guerre, grenouille, and the G becomes soft if it is followed by an E or an I. Genou, J, giraffe. The H, ash, is mostly silent. H, hibou. I, igloo. J, jus. K, kangaroo. L, lait. M, maison. N, nid. O, orange. P, pomme. Q, 15. R, reine. S, souris. T, tigre. U, usine. V, vache. W, wagon. X, xylophone. Y, yo-yo. Z, zèbre. The French accents don't always affect the pronunciation, but they can change the meaning of the word. It is important to always add the correct accent in written French. For example, pêcheur versus pêcheur. A few more pointers on the letter R. At the beginning of words, it is pronounced with a more forceful roll. Ra, rue. In the middle or at the end of a word, it sounds less forceful, but you can still hear it. Mer, fort. The letter S. At the beginning of a word, it is pronounced like in English. Soleil. When it's between two vowels, it sounds more like a maison. At the end of a word, the S is usually silent. Les chats. Unless the next word starts with a vowel and then it takes on a sound. Les amis. AI is pronounced like E, like faire, to do, faire de l'exercice. AU is pronounced O, automobile. AI is pronounced E, like in get, says. And EU is pronounced like E, in fur, heureux. OU is pronounced similarly to the double O in food, rouge. OI is pronounced like wa, in water, oiseau. In fact, this one seems to hit the mother lode in lack of phoneticism. Oiseau. Oiseau. There are useful links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and contact us for more information.